So the S23 Ultra is here, which means only one thing, need a case. So let's check it out. Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are, S23 Ultra, and while it is absolutely awesome looking, even though it's not red, I think it's time to put a case on this thing. So first case I have today is from the guys at Pitaka. This is the MagEZ 3 for the S23 Ultra, so let's check it out. Packaging is all cardboard, which I love, and oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. We've got that new Pitaka logo on there as well, which is, yeah, it's not bad. I'm not mad at that at all. And then get a little thank you. Usual stuff from Pitaka. So first off, out of the box, yep, it's thin, it's lightweight, it's as you would expect from the MagEZ 3. It's minimalistic, that's exactly what this case is about. It's not about big mad protection, it's about slim, lightweight, thin experience. So that's exactly what you get here. So the armored fiber, it's a 600D. The 600D is my favorite pattern. I just like the look of it. And yeah, build quality is really good. It's rigid, there's not much flex on it. Armored fiber. Let's weigh this. There we go, 25 grams. As expected, lightweight. Why don't you take a few seconds and click that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos like this one. Why not? Sure, you're doing nothing. Go. So let's just stick this in, and I've just realised I set that phone down face down. Ah, what are you doing, Michael? And snap. One snap and in we go. There's no buttons on this case. It's just cutouts there for the body. So this is easier to hold because the S23 body is less rounded on the sides this year. Holding this phone is a lot better, I think, than the S22 Ultra. So there is an improvement there. A little tiny lip up over the display at the top and the bottom. Nothing at the sides because there is still a little bit of a curve on that display, so nothing comes up over the sides. But again, that's not what this case is about. This case isn't about protection, it's about thin, lightweight. Look at it, it looks awesome. I'm all about that carbon life, man. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Pitaka have adopted the Magsafe compatibility layout for magnets in this case, which I think is something Android users will be getting used to with the news coming out about the latest gen Qi wireless charging is going to adopt Magsafe magnets. It's going to be a good thing overall, in my opinion. So it's nice to see Pitaka doing this. They did it last year, and I'm glad to see them doing it again this year. So it gives you options for accessories and mounts and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm glad to see that on this case. Really good. So because there is Magsafe in this, we can do a Magsafe test. So here we go. Now, if you haven't caught any of my iPhone case review videos, this is my Magsafe test. So what I do is I use this stand. This stand weighs around 200 grams. So what I do is my test consists of if the stand can hold the phone and with a little bit of shaking, if it doesn't drop it, it's a good test. And if the phone can take the weight of the stand without dropping it, then the magnets are good. So that's how I sort of conduct my Magsafe tests. Strength of the magnets and that kind of thing. Some people ask me, why do I do that? The simple thing is, if you have say a car mount on your dash and you hit a bump on the road or something, the last thing you want is your phone falling off. So that's why I do these tests, you know, if people want to see just how strong the magnets are. So yeah, so let's kick it off. So first test, we'll do the phone, and I'm really cautious this time because there's literally no protection on the sides of this phone, so if it falls I will be foobarred. So, oh yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Dare I say it, those magnets are better than the MagEZ 3s for the iPhone this year. So, well done Pitaka, well done. There we go. Yeah, great Magsafe on that case. And there's no magnets in the phone, so that's just the magnets solely on that case. That's excellent. Really good job. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you all about that sort of thin, lightweight case? If you are, you might want to pick this up because this is definitely a good job. And if you are interested in picking this up, I'll leave you a link in the description down below. So yeah, if you use one of my links, thanks for your support. That about wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel, guys. I will have more S23 Ultra content coming. I've got camera comparisons coming. It's my first camera comparisons I'm going to be doing, so watch this space. I will drop a full review for this as well. It won't be straight away because I want to spend some time with this device and make sure that, you know, I'm properly covering it for you guys, but I will drop a review, so keep it locked for that coming as well. And I'll have some more case videos coming for the S23 Ultra, so stay locked to the channel for them. That about wraps it up. So until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.